guys, I am back today with a huge haul. I've gotten so many goodies. I mean, what else are you supposed to do when you're stuck in quarantine? So I've gotten so many things I want to share with you. I got my Yesstyle haul. It's actually my second haul, but it's the first haul that I'm keeping. I got a bunch of BT21 stuff from their exclusive collections. I've gotten some things from Mercari. I've gotten so many cute things. So I want to show you guys if you love BTS and K-pop style. So let's get started. So let's start with the Yesstyle stuff. The first time I ordered, it was definitely my first time. I was so excited by how affordable everything was, and there were so many things that were like dupes of what Blackpink wears. But then I realized that you really have to pay attention to the one size fits all, because that's going to be for pretty much size smalls or like 0 through 2, which I am not. And so learned my lesson, definitely bought some really tiny clothes. The quality is also really questionable. So I basically returned everything. And by the way, when you return at Yesstyle, you are in charge of the shipping. And this time I was really thoughtful about what I purchased. I want it to fit me, and I also bought a lot of non-clothing stuff. The first thing I got that I'm really excited about is this cute little jelly wallet. It actually has a really long strap, but it's this adorable little sparkly jelly wallet, and it says Girl Rainbow. Like, even the logo is really cute. Oh, and a hot tip is you should always order something that says either in stock, or if you really want it, then know that you have to wait. Usually it'll say like in stock in 7 days or 7 to 14 days, and it's usually the 14 days. Or it'll say like in stock in 21 days, so that means you'll be waiting for like a month. Okay, then I got a few other really random things. I got this sticker set that's actually really pretty watercolor stickers. I sell a lot of stuff on like Poshmark and Mercari and Etsy, and so I like including these like things in the package as like a nice little freebie. I also got this cute little hair tie, and I love that it came in this adorable package. But I thought this would be really pretty if you have your hair like half up, half down. And look how pretty that is. It's like little stars. The next thing I got is also really random, but really cute. It's this little Barbie hand heart mirror. Look at that, it's so cute. The mirror itself is actually really small. Like, you can't actually see very much. You can maybe do your eye makeup. Then I also got these adorable pastel titanium chopsticks. They're definitely random, but something I will use. Another thing I got from Yesstyle are these Gentle Monster dupes. I really want the Jenny for Gentle Monster collection, but it keeps selling out, and it's actually really expensive. But these were literally $6, and I love them. I feel like they're perfect. They're this cool, like, translucent kind of vibe. Really well made. I would say these are just as nice as my Key or K ones for $60, and these were only $6, so definitely recommend. But then I also got 2 pieces of clothing I really like. So this first piece is this little romper. It's actually really cute. So I actually saw this exact romper on another like American boutique site, but it's literally the exact same thing on Yesstyle, and it's this flouncy cute little romper. It has like a smocked stretchy top and a little tie waist, and then these cute little crochet trim. I got this in a large, which I'm glad I did, just because everything was so small the first time. And then the second piece I got is this adorable, I really love this. This was one size fits all, but I knew it was oversized based off of the model. There was also no review, so I definitely took another risk. But it's this really pretty bandana print blouse, which is really in right now. It's almost like a linen, but it's not scratchy, but it's definitely like sheer. I love wearing it open. So pretty. This was expensive because I wanted it to fit and be nice quality. So this, I think, was actually $40, which is a lot for a blouse. And the brand is I, made in Korea. So really cute. All right, so that is Yesstyle. Now we'll get into the BT21 stuff. So the Line Friends collection is different from the normal Line Friends site. There are these like exclusive capsule collections that release pretty much every week. It's definitely addicting and dangerous, but pretty much every week they come out with these adorable collections. Lately they've been coming out with 2 collections a week, which is just ridiculous. But the first collection I got are these adorable fans. They're so cute. So these ones have these super cute BT21 baby lanyards. I love the baby collection. It's definitely my favorite. Their faces are so cute. I love the colors. I'm really all over the place with BT21. I don't just buy Chimney. I feel like I buy all of them. But they're so cute. So this one's Baby Mang, and it's my favorite color, lavender. I have Baby Cookie, which I feel like has been my BT21 bias lately. And it just, I mean, these colors are amazing. And it has 3 modes, which is really cool. And you can recharge them on your phone, which is awesome. And the second collection I got, these are so cute. These are the BT21 Baby AirPods Pro case with pom-pom, and then the BT21 cookie holder stick for your iPhone. I haven't opened these yet because they just look so cute on my desk. This one's really gorgeous, pastel pink, and it has cookie. I actually don't even have AirPods Pro. Isn't that ridiculous? That's when you know you're in it. I have regular AirPods, but I envision that they'll fit in here. If not, I'll just keep them in this case. But they're just so cute. I thought they would look really cute also as a keychain on a purse. Look at him in the box. That's so cute. I love Baby Cookie so much. The second one up close is Baby Cookie again. He's like laying down and there's little polka dots. And it's really cool. Apparently when you put it on your phone, it's supposed to like pop up when you want to use it. Would be nice if I opened it and showed you, but I haven't opened it yet. And my last BT21 collection is the BT21 City collection. So this one shipped and came pretty quickly. So I got 3 things. Adorable. I think these will be available if you're lucky enough to go to Seoul. Got the Seoul t-shirt. Usually the collection is available for 8 hours after it's released, but this collection was selling out, so I was kind of freaking out. And everything does ship from South Korea, which is nice. I think it makes it extra special. Here is the Seoul t-shirt. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So this is the front. And then the back has Seoul. Oh my gosh, look how cute the characters are. And I love how big it is. I feel like the Map of the Seoul clothes were actually, they kind of ran small. But I love how big this is. I got this in a medium, and it's nice and boxy, and the material's nice. I also got the Seoul magnet. I actually honestly got this to get free shipping, but it's cute. It's a little magnet, and it has, oh my gosh, Chimney's wearing a little warrior hat. Oh, they're all like in their traditional costumes. And then I got this Seoul bandana. I'll open it for you guys. It's in this pretty navy. I thought this would look cute, like around a bag or a tote bag or something. Or you could wear it. Oh my gosh, it's actually really nice. So really cute. It is white on the other side. It's nice. It's nicer than just like a normal cotton. Oh, there you go. So cute. And then lastly, the last thing of my huge haul is this magic shop sign. So when I joined the fandom, I was obsessed with the magic shop concept, and I really wanted a piece of the Japan 5th Muster merch collection, but it was only available in Japan, or you had to buy it off Weverse Global, and I just didn't understand it at the time, and it all sold out. But I've been basically stalking the merch on Mercari and Poshmark for a long time because I wanted it. People were marking the prices up like crazy, but I finally found a seller who was selling it at a reasonable price. And look at it. I mean, it's just everything I love. It's my favorite color. It's like between a lilac and a pink, and it says Magic Shop, and I love that it looks really, really pretty even if you didn't know who BTS was. And it says BTS Japan Official Fan Meeting Volume 5, 2019. I love it. I just can't believe I finally have it. The quality is nice. Probably not like $100 worth nice, but it is really, really cute. And then look at this. The back has OT7 and they're in their Japan fan meeting outfits. Look at this aesthetic. Oh, I just love it. It just makes me so happy. And this seller, who I'll put her name at the bottom because I don't remember the top of my head. I think it's something Hosuk. But she also gave me these amazing, she asked who my bias was, which I don't know, I was so flattered. She does that with all of her buyers, I'm sure. She included all of these adorable, like, professionally printed prints. So I couldn't believe it. This is their Festa photo. I'm so excited to have like a hard copy. Here's Blue Hair Jimin, which, I mean, how did she know that this is what I needed? What else can I show you? Alright, now I'm just showing you more random BTS stuff that's in my room that I haven't showed YouTube yet. I have to show you this adorable beret. It is from Cutie Please, but it says, I purpled you, stitched in purple. Thank you so much, Lizzie. Yes, so it is adorable. I have a really big head, but it still fits me. It might just not be as flat as some other people, but it's really, really cute. I feel like Taeyang in it. I feel very artsy. I feel like I'm representing ARMY, so I can't wait to wear this whenever I'm out of quarantine. So I love this little hat. I also got this adorable little keychain. Oops. From Kim. Kim, if you're watching, thank you so much for this keychain. Look at this. I just love, like, I love official BTS stuff, but I also love the fan-made stuff because it's just so pretty. I mean, look at all those little gems. I think she says it's Spring Day inspired. I also got the holographic cards from Lizzie. Lizzie just showered me with BTS things. Look at this. Look at this Festa photo. Oh. Look at JK. If you guys don't know, JK is my second bias, but the second bias spot is controversial because, I mean, aren't all of them your second bias in a way? Holographic OT7. Galactic holographic OT7. And then I also got these Blackpink photo cards from Trevor. I've never had Blackpink photo cards before, so thank you so much, Trevor. I don't know if Trevor watches my videos, but if he does, he'll let me know. Baby Mochi card from Ivy. And then I also got my very first ever BTS Meta Heal products. I always see this collaboration, so I'm so excited to have it. So I opened it to use a face mask the other day, and I cannot believe that it comes with a full set of photo cards. I was literally shook. These are like cardstock, beautiful photo cards, and they're all in angelic white. Oh, look at that. I mean, what? And they're all in their cute little subunits. Look at this, the blondies. So thank you so much, Lindsay, for surprising me with these. I love them. So cute. I have this adorable little Chimmy badge from Jenny. Thank you, Jenny. She also got me a little t-shirt, BT21 Chimmy t-shirt, but I wear it all the time, so it's in the wash. Alright. So that is my little BTS show and tell. It evolved from a haul to like my collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you guys want to shop anything, I'll leave the links below. And I actually have more stuff coming, but I have an order from Coco Dive that I've been waiting for. I checked the tracking number and I think it's finally left South Korea. It is the BTS Villa Voyager collection. And then I also have another BT21 baby collection coming. It's a problem. I also have some really cute pins coming from the UK. I'll show you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys are doing well. See you next time. Bye.